starting off with some onions. A couple of tomatoes. This variety is Tappy's Heritage. Some bay leaves. Carrots. Oh. Thyme. Oregano. Most of it is in flour right now, so I've been trying to find pieces that are not flouring. Unfortunately, my phone ended up overheating out there and didn't record the rest of my harvest, so this is what we grabbed. Cayenne peppers, a few bell peppers that are sun-scald on one side, these cute little candy cane peppers, the tiniest poblanos, an Anaheim pepper, Buena Mulata pepper, and a serrano. Oh, and a not fully ripened sugar rush peach pepper. May or may not have overfilled this pot, but I'll make it work.